Now may I invite RQ poem with waving hands, Challenger STEM School from Shaheen Nagar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
We are going to recite the API poem. Ma, ba, wa, fa, are from the lips. Tongue has many 12 from the tips. Z, z, so, so, z, so, narrow. From its middle, just yeah. From its corner, the six from cross,
MashaAllah. Barakallah.